Alright, so today we'll be unboxing the Zhiyun Smooth 4 gimbal. Pop a hole in it. Let's see. Zhiyun Smooth 4 gimbal. Get to that later. Do this. There we go. See what this is. Your instruction manuals. Nice case. And there we go. Not too heavy. And so we'll just screw this on. And your USB-C cable. Zhiyun. That was your gimbal counterweight. If you guys want to buy this exact kit, I'll leave the link down in the description. So this kit comes with also the GoPro mount and charging cables. Alright, now I'm gonna put the phone on it, but make sure it's off before you connect it. That's how you put it in there. Unlock it like that also. just slide it down in there. All right, now hold this down for 2 seconds and it turns right on. Let's go to the Zplay app. If you don't see it right here on the list first, just tap right here and select Smooth 4. Hit connect now. Alright, so like I said, we just push right here and it unlocks. If for some reason your phone is like hanging to one side, it's probably too heavy and you just might need to balance it out. So you can always use this lock-in thing. Kind of pull it out just to get it to be balanced. Or you can use those additional weight things. But I'll just lock it back like that. I didn't have to do any adjustments. Mine just looks perfect for the most part. All right, let's take a closer look at these buttons. Here goes your power lights. Pretty nice. Alright guys, I'll be using this setup for my future videos. So if you want to see those results, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And also hit that like button. Thanks for watching guys. Share this video with a friend. This looks like a perfect tool for content creators that's wanting to use their phones for video. Peace out. Thank you.